Assalamualaikum. This video presentation is for BSR656 Building Control 3 Strata Title Application Process, and this video presented for Sir Haji Yazid bin Sarkom. Next, this is the table of contents for this video, and this is our team members. Consists of 6 team members. The first one is Muhammad Wafi, Muhammad Fadli, Muhammad Najmi Alif, which is myself, Shahriza Izwan, Nurul Najwa, and lastly Nur Zahira.
In assignments, we have go through interview session with Mr. Azizi, which is one of the management cooperation members for Garden Plaza. Garden Plaza is a mixed-use development, combined service and residential retail use space. The development was built by My Villas Development Sdn Bhd and was subsidiary by Mahsing Group Berhad. It was complete by 2018. Garden Plaza has around 1,149 service resident units and 58 retail units. The resident part consists of several towers, which is Harvard, Oxford and Cambridge Tower. The unit size is about 450 square feet to 1,000 square feet. The facility provided in the residential includes the swimming pool, gymnasium, badminton, and so on. And the lower level, there are retail areas called Garden Boulevard, which is include the shops, supermarket, restaurant, and cafe. This will provide for both resident and the visitors. Building was complete. The first management building is managed by the Joint Management Building body JMB for about 1 to 2 years. After the strata title was issued, the management was taken over by the Management Corporation MC, which have been operating about the 5.5 years. Daily operations are handled by the external facility management company with the discussion of the MC community, and while the residents community monitor the management. For the strata title, is usually handled by the lawyers. So as Mr. Aziz said, we need to ask other parties to know details about the strata titles. The information of the building, the current operation obtains with the interview with the Management Cooperation MC community member, which is Mr. Muhammad Azizi. And for the information regarding the strata title application, we go through the Mr. Shahid, which is from the law firms, to know about details about it.
Strata Title Act 1985, also known as Act 318, is a Malaysian law that governs the ownership, management and subdivision of multi-story or multi-unit buildings such as apartment, condominium and shop lots. Under this Act, a separate legal title is issued for each unit. It's legally established of ownership of the individual unit as well as the owner proportional share in common area. In addition, the Strata Management Act in 2013 regulates the management and maintenance of strata properties through bodies such as the Joint Management Body, which is JMB, and Management Corporation MC. Overall, the strata title application process is important because it's legally recognized individual ownership, enables sales, transfer and financing of unit, and it helps protect owner right while reducing dispute. This slide focuses on the Standardized Operating Procedure or SOP in strata title application process. SOP refers to the official guidelines and a step by relevant authorities to ensure the application process is carried out in a systematic way. Its role is to standardize documentation, submission requirement, and approval procedure, which help to reduce delay and error. Developers are required to prepare and submit complete and accurate document, while its owner must follow required procedure and timelines. By following the SOP, strata title can be issued on time and ownership right remain clear and legally secure.
Hello, I'm Wafi. So I'm gonna discuss about Cypher workflow diagram. So the first application process are the first step are the developer ones. So the second step are to upload the document in Cyphers, and the third one, land officers review to approve it, and the last one is a strata title issue. So the next one are the certificate of practical completion to the strata title timeline. So the first one are the inspection, the second one to CPSB issue, The third one is strata title application. So the last one are the strata title issues. So to conclude a strata title application for progress, I have show a simple triangle, which is first one is CPSP, second one is cipher submission, and the last one to get a strata title.
Next, let's proceed with issues in strata title. First, let's talk about the delay in the sale and purchase transaction. When the property owner wishes to sell their unit, they must wait for the strata title to be issued. If it's not available, they need the developer's permission, and this approval comes with administrative fees. This creates delay in the transaction process, which can frustrate both the seller and the buyer. Next, issues with the establishment of management corporation. Without a strata title, owners cannot set up a legal MC. This limits their control over how common areas are managed and how maintenance fees are used. The absence of proper governance leads to poor financial management and maintenance of the building. Another challenge is the difficulty in obtaining loans. Financial institutions are often hesitant to lend for properties without a strata title as they consider them high-risk investment. This makes it hard for property owners or potential buyers to secure financing, thereby hindering a property transactions and investment opportunities. Finally, if the developer goes bankrupt or is liquidated before the strata title is issued, the entire process can be delayed. This leaves owner in a state of uncertainty, unable to claim ownership or complete their property transactions, which can result in serious legal and financial complications.
Next, I will explain the solution and recommendation to address the issue in the strata title application process. The first solution is customized services. Customized services mean providing project-specific support for the strata title application process. Every development has different building layout, ownership structure, and documentation requirement. Therefore, a one-size-fits-all approach may lead to error and delays. By customizing the application process according to the specific project, first is the documentation can be prepared more accurately. Compliance with the Strata Title Act 1985 and SOP can be ensured. Mistake resubmission, approval delay can be reduced. This helps speed up the approval process by JUPEM and the Land Office to ensure strata title are issued on time. The second solution is end-to-end support. End-to-end support involves managing an entire strata title application process, from document preparation until the strata title is officially issued. This includes coordinating between developer, surveyor, lawyer, and authorities, monitoring submission through the SIFU system, following up with the Land Office and JUPEM, ensuring all timeline including CPSP requirements are met. With the proper end-to-end support, delay caused by coordination, lack of monitor, or developer inaction can be minimized. This is especially important in cases where developers face financial difficulties or when property transactions are ongoing. In addition, several recommendations also can be used. Developers should submit strata title application as early as possible after CPSP approval. JMB or MC should actively monitor the application process to protect owner interests. Professional consultants such as surveyor and legal advisor should be engaged early to avoid compliance issues. Lastly, continued use and improvement of digital platforms like Seafoods can be improved transparency and efficiency. This solution help reduce delay, improve coordination among stakeholders, and ensure the strata title application process runs smoothly. And lastly, protect owner right and supporting effective strata property management.
So in conclusion, the strata title application is the formal process that gives each unit its legal individual ownership and confirms right over common property. This is important because its project owners and supports important matters like selling or transferring units, applying for financing, and setting up proper building management bodies such as the GMB or MC. So when the process is delayed, it can create some serious problems. Transaction may slow down, financing become harder, and proper management can be disrupted. In some cases, delays becomes worse if developer faces financial issues, which can stall the title issuance even longer. To streamline the process, two solutions are proposed. First, customized services help by focusing on each other's project needs and ensuring documents are complete and correct, reducing mistakes and resubmissions. Second, end-to-end support guides the whole application from preparation to submission and follow-up, improving coordination and reducing delays. Overall, these solutions help make the Strata title application faster, smoother, and also more reliable.